So we are at the big lake slash river today. For some reason my go-to lake is closed. I don't know why. The entrance is blocked off and gated, and it just says park closed, so kind of chose to come here. You know, there's a lot of overhang here on the river, and I wanted to practice my skipping before I came back here. So I don't think I'm completely ready, but see if we can catch something anyway. The Zoom Super Fluke. You may be familiar. We used the Zoom Super Fluke before, but that was the avocado red. This is the chartreuse glow, and I have seen this in the dark. It does glow like a green color, and it's got the chartreuse, so I think it will be a good option for this water. It's kind of low visibility. We're fishing this weightless, and I don't know if you can see, but it has a really realistic darting look to it. And I'm gonna try to just hit every area along the way. It's like not even 8 yet, so I'm gonna just keep working the top water here. All right, so that area's been evaluated. So I'm fishing like more of the top column since it's early. And I'm just throwing it out and just starting to kind of pop it. I'm just going with the flow today. I'm just gonna cast kind of where I end up. See if that kind of organic approach works. Oh, that was a nice little cast-a-rooney. Right where I wanted it to go. Shit. Did you hear that? Did you hear that? I'm getting the hell out of here, bro. That sounded like a gator. Yeah, there's a gator over here somewhere. And he's growling. Just gonna try not to paddle neck up on him. Yeah, he's over here somewhere. It is not mating season. That's in the summer. It's wild. We're going to respectfully keep it moving. Do you hear that, bro? I kind of want to go over there. Get a closer look of where he's at. I can only hear him. Can't see him. I hooked up here last time. Alright, so the river winds and turns, so the current is going to change directions. So what we're going to do is try to cast going with the current so I don't have to paddle against it. And I'm probably going to be alternating between the top column and bottom column. I'm on something. I'm on something. Whoa, it's under the kayak. Yeah, nice. Hey, buddy. Hey, my first river fish. The base of the river, the mouth of the river, but it still counts. Let's get you in the net. There's some room to work here. The Zoom Super Fluke Glow Chartreuse. Probably a pounder here. Alright, buddy. See you later. Wow, he smashed that. I almost didn't think I was hooked. Like I thought I was stuck on the grass because it was just like I started reeling and it wasn't going anywhere. And then I started reeling some more. And it just felt like it was dragging or something, like I was stuck on something. And then he started swimming under the kayak. That's when I knew I was hooked. I was like, whoa. That was a little bit of a surprise. So yeah, they're just chilling over there, exactly where I thought they'd be. That makes me feel good. Makes me feel like I just hunted him, you know? Like I'm not just throwing aimlessly. Well, where there's one, there's usually a couple, so I'm gonna keep throwing in this area for a little while. Hopefully I didn't scare him away. You can do the little pop, and it does like a little dart, or you can just retrieve it, and it still kind of does like a nice little natural looking swim. I would do some pauses though, so it looks like an easy target, you know? Alright, we'll keep it moving. Ugh, just got stuck in that sand. Thank you, buddy. My first river fish. That really boosted my morale a lot more than you know. This is my 5th time here or something without a fish. There's another one. There's another one. I swear, that was stuck on something. Now it's weightless, so I'm doing like a really slow retrieve, so it has time to sink. Every time you reel it, it swims up at a diagonal angle, and then you gotta let it fall back down. If I had the 3/8 on there, I'd see there's something right there. This is a juicy spot right here, I think. This thing, I love this thing. This is turning into one of my favorite baits. You gotta be patient a little with it. Can't do it too fast, but I like that. I kind of like that. When I can visualize what it's doing, I like that. Well, I'm gonna have to try to catch something on something else. I bet I can catch something on this paddle tail. That's already getting a bite. Dude! That's already got a bite. What happened? Fish are active today, I guess. Alright, the wind's starting to pick up and it's starting to push me back. So I'm going to paddle against this current until it turns, and then we're going to coast. Yeah, something like that. I caught one at the mouth. Yeah, like a pounder. I do. Croc skin. Please, I need help. I only got 11 subscribers. "11 beautiful subscribers. Whoever you are, I love you." The bite, or I'm stuck. Something's biting it, or I'm getting stuck. Must be getting stuck.